Hold up.
Hi Sam! Mandilim? Hi Sam! Hi Sam! Hi! Hi guys! Hi! Hello! Mandilim. Oh, go! Yun! Oy! Arat na! Arat na! Hi guys! Hi! 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 Hi mga day! My name is...
Sila, follow po kayo. Ayan, Venus.
Guys, dito kami. Hi guys!
Welcome to
Support today's vlog.
Go. Section. Where are they?
Maganda sa likod.
Okay, arms forward.
Ayo guys, dito kami kasi magti-team building kami guys.
Civic activity, self-confidence building. Zipline and rappelling.
Gaganda.
Para po sa safety sa lamin.
Mga mima ko yan, babe.
Kabaihan, kindly tie up your hair.
Hey, ngiti-ngiti
Walang
oh.
nakalugay-gay na buhok.
Okay, ano po yung mga dapat gawin kapag sasakay ng barko? First, kailangan nyo pong alamin yung exit point ng barko. Okay, exit point
Go! Ayan, guys!
Go, go!
Ay, nag-aaway pa oh! Hawa ka! Giyak ka muna! Iyak ka nga muna! Ay!
Huwag mo na kasi, huwag nyo sinoy-noy! Miranya!
Ayan na!
Paano ko mag-zipline yan?
hello. Thank you po. Thank you. Ay, kuya. Ay.
Hello po.
Thank you po. Hi, guys. Kumusta? Ano ba? Pero may andal. Wala. Grabe. Hindi na tayo nakapag-vlog. Hindi pa kami mga puro. Puro. Okay. Ay, hello.
As I was reviewing and editing this vlog, I became aware of how much this team building had taught me. We will carry these experiences and lessons with us into life. I discovered during this team building exercise that there are many knowledge we need to establish in order to survive in a chaotic world. I also discovered that we must learn to face our fears. I learned from this team building experience that not all hardships and challenges can be overcome on one's own. Often, we also need the help of others.
Bilisan nyo, andyan na si Daddy, oh.
Bye! Oy, bye-bye.
Kaya inuwi yung isang speaker yaw.
Bye! 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 Bye-bye! Bye! Bye, Sheena! Bye! Hey! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye! Bye, guys! Bye! Bye!
I came to understand that we don't always win in life's game. Sometimes losing is necessary for learning.
Bye, sir!
One of the rules in our team building, despite the challenges we face, is to have fun. You only have one life to live, so make the most of every minute with the people in it and enjoy what you're doing. Therefore, strive to be the best version of yourself each day. YOLO, everyone. You only live once.